So a lot of times when people are trying to come up with chord progressions, they go to like the typical chords, you know, like maybe a C chord, A minor, E minor, you know, just typical chords that they always go to. But what I want to show you is a trick to come up with interesting chord progressions and some stuff you might have not thought of before, but it's still pretty easy to do. So here's how it works. Basically, you take an open string. So in this case, we're going to use the open A string. Okay, and this is going to be our bass note that's going to go over all these different chord shapes that we're going to play up and down the neck. What we can do is basically take that root note, A, and we can take our A minor scale. Okay, so A minor scale, if I start on the third string right here, would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. I want to take that scale on these two strings right here, the third string and the fourth string, for our example here. That's what we're going to do. So right here, it would start on an E note to an F, G, A, B, C, D, and A. Or I mean E again. Okay, so we have these notes on the D string. And then we have these notes on the G string. Alright, so we want to know those two strings because what you can do is you can just combine your fingers in random ways between those two strings as you go up the neck, and you get all sorts of different chords as you go up through it. So it might be like this. Right, or the other way around. So just by either putting your fingers so that they look more like a power chord, right? Or so they look more like almost like the bottom of a C major chord. You can get all these different shapes.